I feel like we've become over-sterilized in design, or when you have products, all the branding is over-branded. I think it's time we have to bring back some beautiful sort of in-between where we have classic elegance. Let me give you an example. For example, if you're looking at the old elevators compared to the new elevators, old elevators had so much charm. They had beautiful wood paneling, bronze, the gates. Now what do you look like? What do elevators look like today? Aluminum. Straight aluminum, white lighting. Well, remember the cars, how beautiful the paneling was? All the chrome, the wood paneling, the chrome around this. What does a car look like today? It's just basic. Look at a Tesla. What's in a Tesla today? A screen, nothing else. It's so bland. I bring this up because we're doing the white collection, and that of our candles, it's a real study of bringing back quiet luxury and beautiful elegance. What was the purpose of the white collection? Bringing back that beautiful art that is tactile, shadows, but always very quiet. So the glass even that we did is etched, right? It's an etching, and there's no branding on it, but it's quiet elegance. I want to bring back with the white collection all those elements, the way it feels, the way it looks, the shadows, very little branding, but it's such an elegant piece of art at home. I'm longing for it.